Let me start with a simple question. When was the last time you were fully confident that your SOPs or policies reflected the latest regulations, circulars, and internal guidelines without any gaps? In regulated industries like financial services and retail, SOPs aren't just documents. They're built from dozens of regulations, websites, circulars, internal policies, and each of those links to something else. That's where complexity begins. Most organizations try to solve this using document repositories, keyword search, or even GenAI powered by vector-based RAG. But here's the problem. Vectors understand similarity, not dependency. So when a regulation overrides another, a footnote changes interpretation, or a linked guideline introduces an exception, traditional AI systems miss the context. And in compliance-heavy environments, missed context means failed audits. At OneChair Technologies, we realized something fundamental. This isn't a language problem. It's a knowledge structure problem. SOPs and policies aren't flat documents. They're networks of relationships. So instead of forcing GenAI to guess, we built a system that reasons. Without any further delay, let us see the demo in action. What you're seeing is an AI-driven SOP compliance platform that mirrors how a GMP auditor reviews documents but delivers results in hours instead of weeks. I select a single SOP, for example, equipment maintenance or cleaning validation, and click Analyze Compliance. The system runs a regulatory analysis across FDA, EU GMP, ICH, WHO, and other applicable guidelines. This takes about 20 to 25 minutes because this is not a keyword scan. We perform semantic analysis, regulatory cross-validation, and LLM-based reasoning, exactly how an auditor evaluates compliance. Once complete, the compliance report opens automatically. On the right, you see an instant risk snapshot, gaps categorized as critical, major, minor, and informational. Each severity card is clickable. If I select critical, the UI immediately filters to only critical gaps, helping QA teams prioritize what can block inspections or approvals. On the left, the SOP text is displayed with color-coded highlights. Clicking a gap explains what's missing, why it matters, and how to fix it. Every gap is mapped to the exact regulatory guideline with direct PDF traceability. This isn't just compliance detection, it's compliance intelligence. What you just saw is not a chatbot generating text. It's a system built on graph-based knowledge modeling, capturing documents, nested links, regulatory hierarchies, and dependencies, combined with foundation models for reasoning. Every SOP step is traceable, explainable, and audit-ready. So when an auditor asks why something exists, the system shows the entire regulatory chain. While this originated in regulated SOP environments, the impact goes far beyond. In retail, policy-driven supply chains, vendor compliance, and operational consistency across geographies. In financial services, regulatory compliance, risk frameworks, internal audits, and policy gap analysis. Anywhere complexity meets regulation, this system thrives. Thank you.